If you want to deliver a lead magnet in Squarespace, this tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean thank you page with a download button, and your form or newsletter sign up will send people straight to that page after they subscribe. This is a great setup if you want to give away a PDF, an ebook, a checklist, or even an audio file without making things complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical website tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. From here, click Website, then choose Pages. This is where you manage the structure of your site and add new pages for your lead magnet delivery. Next, click the plus icon to create a new page. When the page options appear, select Blank Page. This gives you a simple page that you can use as a dedicated thank you page. Now name that page Thank You. Keeping the page name simple makes it easier to remember and easier to use in your redirect settings later. Once the page is created, open it and click Edit so you can add the content your visitors will see after they sign up. Inside the page editor, click Add Block. Squarespace lets you add different types of blocks, but for this method, select Button. A button is perfect because it gives your visitors one clear action to download the file you want to deliver. You can change the button text to something like Download your lead magnet or Get instant access, depending on what you are offering. After the button is added, click the gear icon next to the button link field. This opens the link settings for the button. From the sidebar, select File. This tells Squarespace that the button should link directly to a file instead of a regular web page. Then click Upload File and choose the lead magnet file from your computer. That could be a PDF, an ebook, a worksheet, a checklist, or even an audio file. Once the file finishes uploading, click Save. At this point, your thank you page is ready. The button on that page will now send visitors directly to the file you uploaded. This is the page your subscribers will see after they fill out your form, so keep it simple, clear, and focused on the download. Now go back to your homepage or your landing page where your sign-up form is located. Double-click your newsletter block or form block to open the form settings. This is the part that controls what happens after someone submits their email address. Next, navigate to the Content tab, then find Post Submit. Inside this section, turn on Redirect. This tells Squarespace to send the subscriber to another page after they complete the form. In the Redirect field, paste the URL of your new thank you page. For example, if your page slug is thank you, then the URL would be /thank you. Once you enter the link, click Save. Now, your lead magnet delivery flow is complete. When someone signs up on your form, Squarespace will automatically redirect them to your thank you page where they can click the button and download your file. This makes the experience smooth, professional, and easy for your audience. A few quick tips can help make this even better. First, test the full process yourself before sharing the page publicly. Submit the form, check the redirect, and make sure the file opens correctly. Second, use a clear button label so people know exactly what to do. Third, keep your thank you page simple so there's no confusion. The goal is to get the file into their hands as quickly as possible. And that's it. You've now learned how to deliver a lead magnet in Squarespace using a thank you page, a button link, and a post-submit redirect. This is one of the easiest ways to automate your lead magnet delivery and create a better sign-up experience for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace and website growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.